Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to do practical on word count feature. So dear students, word count feature enables us to count the typed words that we have typed in a document. So when we will apply this feature will help us to count all the words that we have typed in a document. So dear students, for suppose in this practical we have typed some sentences and we have to see it. We have to count all the words or sentences or the pages of this document or of this text. We will have a technique in Microsoft Word that enables us to count all the typed sentences or words in our document. So dear students, to count or to apply word count feature, we will have to click on the review tab. So dear students, review tab is on toolbar. So dear students, when you will click on the review tab, several functions of review tab are present here, but we will have to go to the proofing group and we will click on the word count feature. So dear students, here there is a shaft in which ABC and 1 2 3 ABC letters and 1 2 3 numbers are present. It means to count the words. So when you will place the pointer of your mouse on this picture, the word count feature will appear in front of you, and word count feature tells us to find out the number of words, characters, paragraphs and lines in the document. So dear students, when you will click on this shape, your words, paragraphs, lines, sentences will be counted in the menu. So dear students, the text that we have typed, it consists of one page and there are 19 words, characters, no space, characters 115, characters with space 132, paragraphs 3, lines 6. So dear students, this feature, this menu displays us all the words that we have typed in our document. So dear students, this one is practical for you based on Microsoft Word, and your lecture is ended here. Your homework is to type some document using 15 sentences, and you will have to apply the word count feature to overview all the words, sentences, lines and paragraphs in your document. So dear students, your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class of secondary classes. Okay dear students, Allah Hafiz.